Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll explain UNiDAYS app review to see with what using. So to get started with a quick breakdown and analysis about this mobile platform, which is UNiDAY. So to get started, UNiDAY is a free app designed for students to access exclusive discounts on fashion, tech, food, fitness and more. So once you verify your student status, you can unlock deals for big brands like Apple, Nike, Samsung, Adidas. The app is easy to navigate with a clear layout and personalized offer based on your interests. It's perfect for students looking to save money while shopping online or in stores. The downside is that it's only available to verified college or university students, meaning non-students can't use it. Also, some offers are limited or region specific, so availability can vary. Despite that, the UNiDAY app is totally worth it for students. It's free, legit, and help you cut cost on everyday purchases and big ticket items. A must have for anyone in schools who want to stretch their pocket. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the student app. And that's it.